All right, hello, and welcome to Friday, March 20th safety meeting. I'd like to thank everybody for joining us. Hope everybody's being smart, being safe, staying healthy, and following our social distancing, our personal protection hygiene methods that we've been sending out the last couple of weeks. And please reach out to me or your supervisor if you have any questions or concern. We're here to help. So let's start off with the meeting. This week's code of conduct is to maintain confidentiality of inside information learned about ECI and about our clients. Real critical this time with the climate that we're in, that there's a lot of information going on. We want to make sure that we are doing our due diligence and being discreet out there with all the information that has been floating around. So very important. So this week I wanted to kind of bring it to everybody's attention regarding respiratory protection program. It's looking like the 2020 construction season will be upfitting into more half face respirators along with air purifying respirators. So we're just kind of talk about, we do have a program here at ECI. We usually send it off with our health and safety plans, and we do it kind of on our site to site basis. But the biggest thing is our program. It's whenever we need to use a half-face respirator because we can't control the hazard by preferred engineering controls, such as integrating water system or a dustless system such as a HEPA vac. Again, that's our preferred method. But if we can't, then we're going to use half-face respirators. So kind of following the hierarchy of controls methods. So when we need to wear a half-face respirator or an air purifying respirator, we need to first do a medical evaluation. We do this through Champlain Medical. So let health and safety know, and we will send you over a medical evaluation questionnaire. You will then fill out that questionnaire, and then Champlain Medical may or may not schedule you a fit for duty regarding if you have the lung capacity to wear a half-face cartridge, breathing through the cartridge that way. Our program also has these 4 different types of respirators. We have the N99 particulate respirators. We use North and MSA with our half-face respirators with different type of cartridges per the hazard that we're trying to deal with. You know, if it's a particulate or it's an organic vapor, you know, you would match up the cartridges to the hazards. And then we have purchased 6 powered air purifying respirators we call PAPR. We've been using those on the lead exposure potential on steel bridges or dealing with kind of lead-based paint on projects. Another part of our program is training. When you need to wear a PAPR or a half-face respirator, we need to put you through some training because this is life-saving equipment or health-saving equipment. So we need to go through maintenance and care procedures, go through cleaning and disinfecting, how to properly store it, how to inspect it, and then good proper fit testing methods, donning and doffing your half-face respirator like you see in this image here. So a little program update. Due to the COVID-19 virus, we'll no longer be able to purchase our N99 dust masks. So we're going to be utilizing more half-face respirators and then for the foreseeable future. So when we're using a half-face respirators, we need to go through the questionnaire. We need to send that questionnaire over Champlain Medical, and then we need to do kind of additional training. And it's going to be kind of based on a project by project basis. So we really need to communicate that with each other so we can put up the proper controls. The N99 dust masks are still available, but please be very conserved regarding what we can display. We want to make sure that the right tasks are being used, and if we need to upfit for a half-face respirator for those tasks, we will do so. So let's just plan ahead and coordinate. And then remember, eliminating is our preferred method. So when we can, let's set up that integrating watering system, especially when we're cutting concrete, you know, cutting any type of asphalt, you know, hopefully we can use integrating water system. And then also we have dustless collective systems available through our HEPA vacs, such as our Hilti products. So anytime chipping, grinding, a lot of hand tool stuff regarding concrete, those systems are available, and they're Bill McSweeney's office. So those are kind of how we want to control dust for in dusty rock-like situations here in engineers construction. So if you see dust, these are kind of our preferred methods. And then our last line of defense is our half-face respirators, dust masks, and pappers. So we just need to make sure we're following these proper protocols, moving forward, and working together to make sure everybody is safe on our projects. And we are eliminating unsafe conditions as much as possible. So that kind of concludes us for this morning's safety meeting. Thanks for everybody for tuning in. This is definitely new to me, so hopefully we can continue through this, these types of conditions together. Thank you very much. I'm here to help. Thank you.